When a baby refuses to eat, it can be a source of concern for parents. However, it's important to approach this situation with patience and understanding. Teething can be a painful and uncomfortable experience for babies. The soreness in their gums can make it challenging for them to chew and swallow food. In such cases, offering softer foods may provide relief and encourage them to eat. When babies are unwell or suffering from infections, they may lose their appetite. Common illnesses such as colds, ear infections, or gastrointestinal problems can affect their desire to eat. As babies grow, they go through various developmental milestones, such as crawling or walking. These milestones can temporarily distract them from eating, as they become more interested in exploring their surroundings. Patience and a supportive feeding environment can help during these phases. Babies may have preferences for certain food textures. Experimenting with different textures and observing your baby's reactions can help to identify their preferences. An overly stimulating environment during mealtime can be a distraction for a baby. Loud noises and bright lights can make it difficult for them to focus on eating. Creating a calm and quiet environment may encourage better eating habits. Introducing solid foods is a significant change for a baby. Some may take time to adjust to new tastes and textures. Gradually introducing solids, starting with small portions and a variety of flavors, can help to ease the transition. Babies may have sensory sensitivities that affect their eating habits. Some may be sensitive to certain smells, tastes, or even the feel of certain foods. Being attentive to your baby's reactions and adjusting their diet accordingly can make a difference. Irregular feeding times or forcing a baby to eat when they are not hungry may lead to aversions. Maintaining a consistent feeding schedule is crucial. Pay attention to your baby's hunger cues and allow them to eat at their own pace. As babies begin to assert their independence, they may show resistance to being fed. Allowing them to self-feed can give them a sense of control, which making mealtime a more positive experience. By considering these factors and observing your baby's behavior, you can create a nurturing and conducive environment for healthy eating habits to develop. If concerns persist, then consulting with a pediatrician is advisable to rule out any underlying health problems.